Here's the 2021 off-road Tacoma. 51,000 miles on the odometer. Blind spot monitor, parking assist. Wireless phone charger, this pad, and you plug your cell phone in right there. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto that will project to this radio screen. Multi-terrain select and then crawl control, but the most important is your rear differential lock. And then right over here is SOS for any emergency. If you want to come check this out sometime, please give me a call. It just has to go through our service shop, but it's probably going to be done in the next 7 days or so. 801-415-3166.